Hello, and welcome back to CryptoContador. Today, we having the second part or the second interview with the director and founder of the project Crypto Bonzies. So stay tuned, and here's the trailer again. Check it out. Welcome back, and without further ado, I would like to say hello and give the speakers to UK. How are you, UK?
Hello, up, Tito. Man?
All good?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
It's cold. Yeah, but the sun is coming out.
So how are you? How you been? Good?
Yeah, it's been good.
It's been good.
A lot of work to do.
Yeah. So for all of you guys that you don't know who we are and what the Bonzies studio and the Bonzies NFT collection that we're promoting, we're working on, well, check down all the links and the description of the video, and you will see there the Discord and the Twitter. And of course, well, you're on the YouTube channel, the CryptoContador, and we are collaborating with them. So this video, and we have a previous video that you can check out in the channel that is introducing a little bit about UK, the project, having an idea and all that. But today, we want to talk a little bit more about the project and a specific part of it, and it is the game part of it. So can you, UK, please just give us a little intro idea, description, why a game, why NFTs, collection, art, and a game? How does that work?
So we're making a game for the NFTs, so you can play the NFTs in the game. Oh, my phone's squeaky ringing. Wait a second. Never alone.
Don't worry.
So we are making a game that you can use the NFTs in, like the skins of the character you are playing. Yeah, so it would the game would be like a third-person shooter. The idea so far is that, but we want to make the game with the community's inputs, voting what we should put in the
game. So the game, you mentioned that you wanted to create a game from a long time ago, and we have discussed about this, and this is interesting because the NFT project, and they're coming with, I mean, the art, the image of the piece of art is not enough, right? Like it comes with a certain kind of utility, right? Like they're calling it utility, and it's like the art is good, but you can use it for something else, and that not necessarily has to be profitable. The utility can be, for example, the entrance for a conference, or and you're not making money out of it, right? Like it doesn't necessarily has to be profitable. But in this case, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about it in another video about the business side of this NFT project, because this NFT project, Bonzies, it's aimed to have a return on investment in the community, right?
Exactly.
But about the
plan is to release it to the public.
Exactly.
So they will buy a copy of the game and some of the money of the purchase of the copy will go out to all the holders of the NFT.
Purchases and also ads, right? Because the ads, the money, but you know, so but keeping it in the game, it's very interesting that at the end of the day, this is a very gaming focus kind of part of blockchain.
Yeah, and I think the NFT space is moving to games.
Yeah.
And to be enabled to like interact with the NFTs, to bring it more value to the NFTs too.
Exactly, because you know, we have to remember that this is a revolution itself. Like, the idea of you being able to purchase, to buy a character that is unique, and you're the only one that have it, and then being able to play with it, and knowing that that's the only one that exists.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? And it's yours, and you can trade it, and you can change it, and this is going to evolve into infinity of
options, you never know,
right? But put it in simple words, and for people that still kind of doesn't understand what the difference of go and buying a Nintendo and you're gonna play Mario, right? Like, what's the difference between you going to play a Mario and you going to play Bonzies, right? With the characters, is like you are the character. That's the only one. With Mario Kart, everybody can be Mario.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
You don't get a unique aspect of it.
Exactly. You don't get you're not the only Mario around. No? They're all copies. And it's not an original one and an only one.
Exactly.
And NFTs, that's the point. So this collection, right, is about, you have crazy, nice, good art. The art is on point. The Bonzies are super nice. But in these communities, in this space, we need a little bit more. And that's utility. And utility, we're going to have a game that it can be a third shooting person, but it may be a defend the tower, or it can be a take the wall, the flag, or it can be like the other part of the Bonzies, the darkies, right? Attacking by waves. I don't know. There is a lot of possibilities and ideas that we don't really need to invent, right?
Yeah, exactly.
A new game.
Game modes we are planning to have,
exactly.
like battle royale, like zombie waves.
Exactly. So
like you start in one position and you have to make it through a maze or like a level, and teamwork with your friends, and like a 4 to 5 player game and everything.
So mini games, interactive games, something like that, that people, the persons, owners of Bonzies and other projects we're going to try to collaborate, can play with them. And the idea is that if you have a Bonzie is like a share. So once the game is out there playing, ads are going to be run. And those ads, the more people play the game, the more ads are going to be pushed in the middle of the game, and the game receives some money back out of it, and that's distributed back to the owners of shares of Bonzies. And that's just what is this whole NFTs revolution is all about. I think this is
exactly.
This is the core, right? So we're trying to present something like that to the community. That, by the way, hello guys, hi everybody. If you are already in Discord, for everybody, all the OGs, all the verifieds, all the whitelisted, thank you for being there. And the idea of these discussions and videos is like to present ourselves, so you know we're there. We hope we're providing information that you like, right? So, and that you can. So another question, Yuke, about the game. How you make one of these games? Is it really hard to one these games? What are the softwares people is using, or how does this work?
There are a lot of softwares out there, but the one I think is the best is the Unreal Engine. There's a game engine, and you create a game in there, in the Unreal Engine, and you like import all your 3D art into the game.
Okay.
Because we already have the art in 3D, so it's a pretty simple process. So,
okay. So the idea here is letting the people know that we know, you know how to go the next step. I mean, it's not like we don't know idea how to create a game. We need the input of people and owners to decide what kind of a game we're creating, because the other thing is that we just cannot create every kind of game. So we have to.
I think to make a great game, you need to have like gamers that has been gaming all life and stuff like that, and there is where the community comes in, because I think there are a lot of gamers buying and selling NFTs, profits and everything. So it's a great way to build a great game.
Yeah.
To involve the community.
Exactly.
In the deciding parts of the game.
Yeah. And that's the idea.
It's hard to say how the game will end. It all depends on you, like the Bonzies.
Exactly. And that's cool.
Yeah.
That's what makes this interesting. Like, interested to invest in, interested to see, like, because this is pretty new for everybody. Community-based decisions, community-based things like that. Like, it's a pretty exciting times to be around. So, with the game also, we have an announcement. Like, also a member. We are going to mint and then have a budget for the game. And then we are going to hire people, and that people also, it can be from the community. It will be better if they're from the same community, Bonzies. So for you guys, if you're in the community, if you're a programmer, if you're a developer, and you think you can help and have some ideas, please contact us, because this is community-based, and there's going to be a budget, and and we need help. So please let us know if you know something, somebody, or sorry, or anything like that, right? Exactly. So, and for the channel, well, we have an announcement for the channel. What is it?
Discord channel.
Announcement, the Discord channel. What are we doing now?
Yeah, we're looking for a couple of mods to the chat.
Yeah, good. And what do they have to do to become a moderator in the chat?
Apply to me or Tito. You can write to us.
I mean, write to us in the Discord. Let us a little resume or previous experience that you have in Discord channels on why you want to be a mod, and we'll pick the 2 best of them, and we'll get some. They'll get something back, and that we can discuss with them in the channel. So if you're interested, please contact us, Tito or Yuke. We're looking for mods. And about the game, as we told you, that's the general idea. We're creating a game. We know how it's gonna kind of look. We know where to do it. We know where to publish it. People, the owners of Bonzies, we have to play it in order to ads run through it, and we're gonna try to recover at least our investments and make some passive income via playing our own game, and hopefully other people starts playing too, and we make money through ads.
We will use the budget to run ads to get the game out to other people too.
So that's the idea.
Experience for the marketing and everything, because I have been
Good.
into marketing.
Yes, because that's the idea. It's an open
Yes.
game that everybody can download it, like a little app, and they're playing with the Bonzies. But when you're a Bonzi owner, you can, you know what's your Bonzi, and you can use your Bonzi.
Yeah, exactly.
So, well, I don't know if you want to put anything else, Yuka. Would you like?
Yeah. So I've been focusing on the art to get it done lately. So
Okay.
I haven't been so active in the Discord or like getting new collabs because I want to have the art 100% done. Then I can start focusing on the next thing to grow the community and everything. Because that takes a lot of time to set up like collabs with other brands and everything or other projects.
Of course.
That's why it's a little slow now, but it will start to pick up as soon as I'm done with the art. So
perfect. Good.
Yeah.
We're finishing. The Yuka's finishing with all the art, and we're moving forward with everything. We're taking this very organic and very natural, and because you can go and get whatever amount of followers and that, but in our case, that was not our decision. We decided to keep it organic and keep it.
We don't want to grow the community by doing giveaways all the time.
So
see, we get like hundreds of messages every day from promoters. Promote your project, all the time. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Exactly. Well, that's a business. That's something that people need to know also. Like when you see a community with thousands, if nobody's answering, if there is no likes, there is no, those are robots and those are paid for, and it's just to inflate the number and people think there's somebody there, but sometimes there's nobody there. So it's better a little community where everybody's there and reads the messages and kind of is present than a ghost town of
I think you will gain the most legit followers by collabing with the other brands. I think that's a really good way to grow the community and being like active in the Discord and being active on the Twitter and stuff like in those places.
There you go. So those are also things to consider, and that's it for the moment from us. The update. That's the game. We need you guys to start putting your comments, your ideas, and we see you next week with another video, and we are talking about a little bit more about the money part of it and the idea of it and how all the projects are making money and what to think about when you invest into a NFT project. So hopefully this was helpful, and hopefully we hope that you guys are enjoying this. The community, please leave your message, please leave your questions, and we see you around. Thank you. Thank you
Tito.
for the next interview.
The same.
Take care. Bye bye.
Adios.
And take care. Thank you.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.